Yo, you cool cats and kittens.
Oh, hey, I remember you. Yeah. You know what? I heard the stories, and I think it's kind of messed up what you did. All right. Cheating? Seriously? I was just talking to a guy the other day. I want to say a couple days ago. He told me the whole story. You going over to Chris Fix's channel? He doesn't even show his face. There's no personality there. Scotty Kilmer, for God's sake. Mighty Car Mod. Well, I like Mighty Car Mods. But anyway, we're getting off subject here. You just left Kevin Cars like out to dry. Then again, it's been my fault. It's been my fault, right? I haven't been uploading videos. I've just took a hiatus from YouTube. So you're like, if you're not getting it here, why not get it somewhere else? Still a fucked up mentality, but I'm glad you're back. I'm totally glad you're back. But we are also back. So, guys, first of all, I want to apologize for not making videos. Of course, you know, the last videos that I was making like months and months ago wasn't really car related. And I have over 7,500 subscribers, and you guys came here, and the reason that you're watching this video, the reason that you know about this channel, is because of cars. Like in the beginning, it was like Kevin working on cars, Kevin's cars. That's what it was, right? You know, just some scrawny guy that had a passion for working on vehicles, had a passion for different types of motors, showing you guys how to fix stuff. And then it slowly turned, right? I slowly changed the content, which, like I said, with a lot going on, it kind of, I let too much of the personal life come into this. Plus, in the end, I kind of lost the passion for it because of other things going on. And I'm sorry for that. It shouldn't have happened. It really shouldn't have. But we're back now. And over these 8 months, I've been recording a lot of stuff that you guys haven't seen. And that stuff is going to be coming out. I've got a new spot here. And I just got my Lexus over here because I wanted a place to work on it that wasn't going to get everything dirty and nasty. Plus, it's out of the elements, so I can do it when it's raining, when it's cold. It doesn't matter. So I want to get back to Kevin's Cars and what it was meant to be, what it had been, and make it better. So we're going to get back into do-it-yourself stuff. We're going to get into top 10 XYZ stuff. We're going to get into how-to stuff, you know, when it comes to flipping cars, finding the daily driver, things like that. So I guess I feel like I have a rejuvenated passion for this channel. And it's been hard not to make content for this channel. But then again, it got to a point where I didn't want to put out content that really wasn't like in line with what this channel is. And also something that's going to be just straight up shit. So if you're putting out shit work, nobody's going to watch it. So yeah, I just been biding my time getting the right camera, like getting the right editing software, just getting an idea and getting back into the passion of it. So okay, so first things first, first matter of business, of course, this is going to be the Lexus. Now, this is a 2002 Lexus IS300 Sport Cross. You guys know the reason I bought this car is because you really can't find the wagons. So what we're going to be doing to this car over time is we need to pull the head. We're going to do a port and polish. We're going to change out the head gasket to the GTE head gasket, which is going to lower the compression on the engine. Also, we're going to pull out the pistons and rods. We're going to take the VVTi pistons and rods out of this thing and put the non-VVTi pistons in it, which is going to make it a lot stronger because the connecting rods on the non-VVTi engine is a lot thicker, more bulkier. It's going to make us be able to hold more boost on this. We're not going to go with a standalone. We're going to do a piggyback ECU on this thing, and we're going to do a manual swap. Manual swap is very important. Now, I'm still not sure whether we're going to go with the W55, which is the IS300. That is the factory manual transmission that came in it, or if we're going to go with the W58 or the R154. Now, the R154 is the one that you want to kind of get if you can find it, but they're going for so much money right now. And on my old Lexus, I was pushing over 400 horsepower with the W58. I didn't have any issues with that transmission. So it just depends on what we can find, because parts on the 2J, anything it has to do with 2J is going for a premium. So we'll have to play it by ear. But that's the first thing that we're gonna do, and that's gonna be a walkthrough. Hopefully I can get that done sometimes this week. I do have a full-time job, but that's probably gonna change pretty soon once I start getting back into what I was doing originally. So yeah, that's my explanation, and I forgive you. I forgive you for cheating. But then again, you can go over to Chris Fix, and you can go over to, you know, Scotty Kilmer with his little pictures and all that shit, and tell him, hey, I got Kevin's cars back. And with Mighty Car Mods, you know, I really like them, so you can check them out too. It's like, we could do a little share thing with Mighty Car Mods, okay? But make sure you come back. Make sure you hit a like on this video. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you ring that bell so every time I make a video, you're gonna get it in your inbox. And I'm really looking forward to this. So I will talk to you guys soon, very soon.